FC Barcelona low-key had one of the best rebuilds this summer transfer window. Barcelona are a broke club, and they needed to get rid of some players in order to bring some in. And Joao Laporta and the rest of the Barcelona hierarchy did a fantastic job at that. They got Griezmann gone to Atletico Madrid, Trincao to Sporting Lisbon, Busquets and Jordi Alba to Inter Miami, Umtiti to Lille, Abdi to Real Betis, Lenglet to Aston Villa, Franck Kessie to Al Ahly, Sergino Dest to PSV Eindhoven, Eric Garcia to Girona, Ansu Fati to Brighton on loan, and Ousmane Dembele being sold to PSG. Now, despite losing a ton of players, Barcelona have recruited some great quality for this upcoming season, like underrated signing Romeo from Girona, Inigo Martinez, a La Liga veteran, Vitor Roque, an upcoming Brazilian superstar who's actually performing better than a future Real Madrid star, Endrick, right now in the Brazilian league. Then we got Ilkay Gundogan, who left Man City to join Barcelona on a free, and then we got Joao Cancelo and Joao Felix joining FC Barcelona. And Joao Felix even teared up when he joined FC Barcelona because this was his dream club. Atletico Madrid fans definitely hate this man right now for sure.